To install Webex Meet widget on iPhone, enter the jiggle mode, tap on the plus icon in top left or right, and then of course you need to have Webex Meet app installed as well, so just search for it, and this is the widget. Usually there are small, medium and large widget sizes, but here is only one size. And then this is the widget. You will see all your upcoming meetings. You can schedule meeting, you can start, or you can join the meeting right from the widget. So it's super convenient, and you don't need to open the app. You can just tap and you will be redirected to the exact section of the app. Super fast. If you are a frequent user of Webex Meet, it can save you some time. And then you can tap and hold, and then if you don't like the widget, you can easily remove it just like that. So hope it helps, and thanks for watching.